Okay, 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 4, etc. Okay, these are the position values of fractional numbers. So, for whole numbers, we will write the position value as 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. Here, after decimal point, the position value of 1 is 2 raised to minus 1. And the position value of 0 is 2 raised to minus 2. If any number is there, then it is 2 raised to minus 3. Then it is 2 raised to minus 4. Just like that. Okay. Then, what is 2 raised to minus 1? 2 raised to minus 1, it is 1 by 2. Okay, that means 1 by 2 raised to 1 is the answer. 2 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 1. Okay, then what is 2 raised to minus 2? 1 by 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 1 by 4. What is the answer of 1 by 4? One by 4.
Point
0.125. Isn't it?
25.
25. Ah, okay, correct. 0.25. Okay, I'll write here.
Could you repeat the name?
Yes, yes. Okay. Here we want to convert this 2 raised to minus 1. Okay. So 2 raised to minus 1 means, which is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to minus 1 is 1 by minus 1 is converted to plus 1. So 1 by 2 raised to 1. Okay. So here it is 1 by 2. What is the answer of 1 by 2? It is 0.5. Okay. So the answer of 2 raised to minus 1 is 0.5. Is it clear? Okay. So the next one is 2 raised to minus 2. What is 2 raised to minus 2? 2 raised to minus 2 is 1 by 2 raised to 2. Okay. 1 by 2 raised to 2 means 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? Anaga, Jacob, G, switch on the video. 1 by 4 it is 0.25. It is 0.25. Then, what is 2 raised to minus 3, Jacob, Johnny?
By 2 raised to 3.
1 by 2 raised to 3. What is 1 by 2 raised to 3? 2 raised to 3, it is 8. So 1 by 8. What is 1 by 8, G's? Point? Anyone?
Point 125.
Correct. 0.125. Okay. So these are the conversions. So we can use any of the value. I am just displaying these 2 raised to minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Then what about 2 raised to minus 4? You just calculate like this. Okay. If it is 2 raised to minus 4, if 2 raised to minus 4 is there, you just calculate like this. If 2 raised to minus 5 is there, you just calculate like this. 2 raised to minus 5 means 1 by 2 raised to 5. What is 2 raised to 5? 2 raised to 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2. That is 2 raised to 5. Okay. So 2 raised to minus 5 means 1 by 2 raised to 1 by John, it's your sister. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. 2 raised to 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times 2 is multiplied. That is 2 raised to 5. So, 2 raised to minus 5 is 1 by 2 raised to 5. That means 1 by 5 times 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Is it clear, this minus 1 concept? Is it clear? Okay, so we can move to the conversion. Here 110.10 is the question. So we'll write 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0 plus, again use plus. Here point is there, you just don't bother about this point, just add a plus symbol, just like normal addition. Okay, plus, then another digit is 1. 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 2. Okay, so first 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. Then after that add a plus sign. Instead of point, add plus sign. Plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 2. 0 into 2 raised to minus 2. Okay, then 1 into 4. 2 raised to 2 is 4. So 1 into 4 plus 2 raised to 1 is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2 plus 0 into something is 0. So write 0 plus, what is 1 into 2 raised to minus 1? That is 1 by 2 plus 0 is there. So this term will be 0. So 0. Then 1 into 4 is 4 plus 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 it is 0.5. So it is 0.5. Then add this value. What is the result? 4 plus 2 it is 6. 6 plus 0.5 it is 6.5. Is it clear, Renil?
I just joined right now.
Okay, okay. Just go through these terms, okay? Any doubt you ask. Diya, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pooja, any doubt? Pooja, is it clear? Okay. So write another question. It is one 11011.101 to the base 2. 11011.101 to the base 2.
Can you show the question
Okay,
again?
okay. 11011.101. One 11011.101. Geez, Renil, switch on the video. Okay, Renil, you write the question. What are you doing, Renil?
I just I didn't know there was class.
Oh, you write the
So-
question. No problem, you write the question. My vaccination is already over. That is the problem.
So when I just looked, the class was going on.
Okay, okay. Just write the question. Jason, is there any problem with your video? Okay, Jace. John Philip, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Reem finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Diya, Pooja, completed. Jewel, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Niranjan, completed. Jacob, finished.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Rahul, okay. John, what is the answer? John Philip,
Ma'am, 27.675.
27.675. Okay. John Joss, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 625.
625. Okay. John Joss,
And same answer.
same. Reem,
27.625.
Naurin,
Ma'am, I got 51.625.
which one?
And that's something.
Okay, you check the answer. Okay. Jewel, same. Okay.
Okay.
Any other answer? No. Diya, 26.155. It is 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus, that is 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, that is 27. You just check. 2 raised to 4, it is 16. 2 raised to 3, it is 8. Then 2 raised to 1 is there, it is 2. Then 1 into 2 raised to 0, I think that is the problem. 1 into 2 raised to 0, it is 2 raised to 0 is 1, so 1 into 1. Okay. Now it's correct. Okay. Then 0.625 is the fractional part. Okay. 0.625. It is 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. Isn't it? 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. What happened here?
Ma'am, I took 1 by 4 equal to 2.25.
Oh, no problem. Okay, so do it carefully. Okay, so write another question. It is 101.1101. Now write the next question. 101.1101. 101.1101. 101.1101. 101.1101.
Question, please.
101.1101. 101.1101. Renil,
Yes, ma'am.
write the question.
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Okay. Do it fast. You have to say the answer, okay? Renil?
Ma'am, I didn't join when you taught this
Oh.
topic.
Hmm. So what are you doing there, Renil?
Nothing, ma'am. Writing. Just checking how to do this.
Okay. You just do the integer part section from the previous class. I explained it. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vinayak, what is the answer?
I'm doing.
Vinayak?
I'm doing.
Okay, okay. Jacob? Your answer? Your sound is breaking, Jacob. Rahul? Rahul?
Ma'am?
Read the answer.
I'm 5.8125.
It's not clear, Rahul.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 5.8125.
5.8125. Is it correct, Niranjan? Okay. Jewel, what is the answer?
5.8.
5.8. 5.8. Vinayak?
5.135.
5.135. 5 is there. 5 is correct. The fractional part is different for different. Naurin, what is the answer?
5.8125.
5.8125 is the correct answer. So you check the answer.
I got 5.625.
5.625. So I will do that question. Okay. Renil. Renil,
Yes, ma'am.
listen carefully. Okay. The question is 101.1101 to the base 2. Okay. So here the position value is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. After point, we write the position value as 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3 and 2 raised to minus 4. Is it clear, Anil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then write 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1, 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 4. Then what is 2 raised to 2? It is 4. So 1 into 4 it is 4. Then here it is 0. Then 2 raised to 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 it is 1. This part is correct for all of you. Then what about the second part? It is 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 raised to 2 plus here it is 0. Then plus 1 into 1 by 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 4 plus 1 it is 5 plus 1 into 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 it is 0.5. So it is 0.5 plus 1 into 1 by 2 raised to 4. 1 by 2 raised to 2. 1 by 2 raised to 2 means 1 by 4. The answer is 0.25. So here it is 0.25 plus what is 1 by 2 raised to 4? 2 raised to 4, what is the answer? Anyone? 0.625. Isn't it? 0.0625. What is 1 by 2 raised to 4? Vinayak?
1.0625.
Correct. 0.0625. Then 5 plus, how you will add this one? I think that is the problem. It is 0.5. Then second one is 0.25. Third one is 0.0625. It is 5, 2. It is 1, 8. 0.8125. Now it's clear? I think your problem is with this addition. No. Okay. You check the answer. Okay. So the answer is 5 plus 0.8125. So the answer is 5.8125. Now it's clear, Ranil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do one homework question. Jewel, what is the problem with
Yes,
your
ma'am.
answer? What happened?
Addition problem.
Okay. Write to homework question. First one is 11011.1011. 10011. 11011.10011. Okay. Then second question is 11100.001 to the base 2. 11100.001. Okay, so the next conversion is which one is the next conversion? Binary to decimal is over. The next one is octal to decimal. Octal to decimal. How is the octal to decimal conversion? Instead of 2 raised to 0, what we will write? Here it is octal to decimal. So we have to write 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2. For binary to decimal conversion, we are using 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, or 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, etc. Okay. In the case of octal to decimal conversion, we are using 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2, 8 raised to minus 1, 8 raised to minus 2, etc. Is it clear? So, the position value of octal to decimal conversion, and this octal to decimal conversion, the position value of each digit is 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to, because we are converting octal number to decimal. If you are converting binary to decimal, the position value is 2 raised to, binary means 2. So, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to, etc. Okay. If it is octal to decimal conversion, we will take 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, etc. Then how is hexadecimal to decimal conversion? It is
Power 16.
16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1, 16 raised to 2, etc. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So here we are using octal to decimal conversion. For octal to decimal conversion, we are using position value as 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2. For fractional part, we are using 8 raised to minus 1, 8 raised to minus 2, etc. Okay. So write one question. 321 to the base 8 to decimal. How we will convert this one? Here it is 8 raised to 0, then it is 8 raised to 2, then it is 8 raised to 3. That is 3 into 8 raised to 3 plus 2 into 8 raised to 2 plus 1 into 8 raised to 0. Okay. 3 into what is 8 raised to 3? Oh, 8 raised to 2. Okay, 1 is missing. 0, 1, here it is 2. So, what is 8 raised to 2? 8 raised to 2 means 8 into 8, it is 64. Okay, plus 2 into 8 raised to 1, it is 8, plus 1 into what is 8 raised to 0? Any number raised to 0, it is 1. Okay, so 8 raised to 0, it is 1. So, what is 64 into 3?
192.
192. 192 plus 8 into 2, it is 16, plus 1 into 1 it is 1. So what is the final answer? It is 209. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write the next question. 23 to the base 8. Renil, this question is for you.
Okay.
23 to the base 8. Do it fast. Renil, what is the answer? If it is wrong, no problem, Renil. Okay.
Just
Do this question if it is finished. Renil, switch on the video.
19.
19, correct answer. Okay, it's correct. Okay. 23 to the base 8, that is 19. Okay. Okay. This question you do it as homework. Okay. I will give one fractional number. It is 21.21 to the base 8. 21.21 to the base 8. Here the position value is 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1. Here it is 8 raised to minus 1, 8 raised to minus 2. So it is 2 into 8 plus 1 into 8 raised to 0 plus 2 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 1 by 8 raised to 2. That is 2 into 8, it is 16 plus 1 8 raised to 2, it is 64. Okay, how we will simplify this one? First we can just cut this 2 with 8, so the value is 4. So 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? It is 0.25. but here we have to calculate 1 by 64. Niranjan, what is 1 by 64?
I'm doing.
Okay, okay. It's time. Tom is the no. Pooja, what is 1 by 64?
Ma'am, 0.015.
0.015. 0.15625. John Philip, what is 1 by 64? What is 1 by 64?
015625.
625. Okay. 015625. Just do like this. That is 64 1. Then take point. Then add 0. Then quotient 0. Just like, okay. So what is the answer? It is 17.265625. Is it correct? 17.265625. Okay, I'll take the attendance.